Welcome back to Drive Formula Car, your ultimate destination for everything automotive. Today we're diving into the all-new next-generation 2026 Bajaj Pulsar, a bike that promises to redefine performance, style, and technology in its segment. If you're a motorcycle enthusiast, stay tuned because what we're about to explore is nothing short of extraordinary. The 2026 Bajaj Pulsar comes with a completely redesigned exterior that screams aggression and modernity. The front fascia has been completely overhauled, featuring sharper lines and a more aerodynamic profile. The headlamp unit now boasts a full LED setup with a signature DRL design, giving it a futuristic appearance that stands out on the road. The tank has been sculpted for a more muscular look, complementing the overall sporty stance of the bike. From the side, the sleek body panels and refined tail section create a cohesive flow that enhances its sporty appeal. The rear now features a split LED tail lamp that not only looks premium but also improves visibility during night rides. Under the hood, the 2026 Pulsar has received significant upgrades. The engine options vary across different variants, but all are tuned for improved performance and efficiency. The new twin-spark technology, combined with a refined fuel injection system, ensures smoother throttle response and better mileage. Riders can expect a noticeable increase in low-end torque, making city rides effortless while maintaining thrilling performance on the highway. The transmission has also been enhanced for quicker shifts, giving you a more engaging riding experience. One of the standout features of the new Pulsar is its advanced digital instrument cluster. It now comes with a full-color TFT display that provides detailed information at a glance. The cluster displays speed, RPM, gear position, fuel level, odometer, trip meters, and even navigation prompts for models equipped with Bluetooth connectivity. Speaking of connectivity, the bike now supports smartphone integration, allowing riders to receive calls, notifications, and even control music directly from the dashboard without taking their eyes off the road. Safety has been a key focus for the 2026 Pulsar. All variants come equipped with dual-channel ABS, ensuring better control during sudden braking. The suspension setup has been refined with telescopic front forks and a nitrox mono shock at the rear, delivering a perfect balance between comfort and sporty handling. The new alloy wheels are paired with tubeless tires, providing better grip and stability on all road conditions. Aesthetically, the 2026 Pulsar offers multiple color options, including striking shades like metallic red, matte black, and pearl white. These colors, combined with subtle decals and chrome accents, give the bike a premium feel without compromising its aggressive character. Every detail, from the ergonomically designed seat to the sculpted fuel tank, has been crafted keeping rider comfort and control in mind, making long rides less tiring and more enjoyable. The bike also introduces some smart features that elevate the riding experience. LED indicators, hazard lights, and an engine kill switch are now standard across all variants. The headlamp now comes with an adaptive light function in higher models, automatically adjusting intensity based on riding conditions. These little innovations make a significant difference in safety and usability, showing how Bajaj continues to innovate with rider-centric designs. In terms of competition, the 2026 Pulsar firmly positions itself as a segment leader. It combines the heritage of the Pulsar brand with modern engineering, giving riders a bike that is not just about looks but also about performance, technology, and reliability. Whether you are commuting in the city or enjoying a weekend highway ride, the new Pulsar promises to deliver a thrilling experience every time. To sum it up, the 2026 Bajaj Pulsar is more than just an upgrade, it's a statement. From its futuristic design and powerful engine to advanced tech and enhanced safety, this bike is built for riders who want the perfect mix of style and substance. With its competitive pricing and feature-packed variants, it's set to become one of the most desirable motorcycles in its class. So if you're looking for a bike that can turn heads, offer exhilarating performance, and keep you connected on the go, the 2026 Bajaj Pulsar is undoubtedly worth considering. Stay tuned to Drive Formula Car as we bring you exclusive rides, detailed reviews, and everything you need to know about the latest bikes and cars hitting the market.